a big number. But it is not possible to go to all the villages of the country. And by that time, in 1991, 1992, globalization has started. All thanks to Manmohan Singh, Sharad Pawar and all these people. The first thing there, what this country is Enron and the globalization. So then I thought, if all the companies, and then there was a buzzword to go to rural India. Even today is a buzzword. That is a problem. We'll discuss if time permits. Then I thought of Maharashtra because मला दुसरी कुठली लँग्वेज येत नाही आणि मराठी माणसाची अडचण आहे असं माझं मत आहे की ना हिंदी येतं ना इंग्लिश येत नाही नीट म्हणजे येत असेल काही जण ना सॉरी पण आणि मराठी येत नाही दॅट इज अ प्रॉब्लेम सो आय थॉट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र फर्स्ट and then how I have started. If I want to go to Maharashtra, I cannot go to all 43,000 villages. The call which I have taken that time was really fantastic. That's what I think. No need to go to all the villages of Maharashtra. Go to the villages having population about 2,000 and where weekly bazaar takes place. Because 43,000 is a big number. 6,38,000 is a big number. But if you go to the villages above 2,000 and where weekly bazaar takes place, in Maharashtra there are only 6,900 villages, means achievable number, comparatively achievable number. And then we have taken the call. My wife and we were in Gokhale Institute, and then we have written the names of all the villages having population about 2,000. It was very difficult to get the names of the villages. And then the story starts. How to reach to rural India? It's a very difficult task. If you travel, it's a very costly affair. If you go to any village by a vehicle, it costs you between 2,500 to 3,200 rupees, and in that you are in that village for a few hours. So it was a very difficult task to get information from India. That time I have taken a call. We will write to the so-called opinion leaders of these villages. Who are the opinion leaders today even, and by that time also, even today, the Sarpanch plays very important role, more or less. Then the principal and the postmaster. So what we have done, I asked my wife and father to write a postcard. It was a double postcard that time, costing just 15 paisa. Means we have invested for one village 90 paisa because labor माझं घरचंच होतं, बायकोन वडी. Why handwritten? Because if you print that, you have to pay 2 rupees 50 paisa on that. So the handwritten. But my approach, what I have convinced my father and wife is, why we have written, it is handwritten because they should feel that personalized lile mala. That's why handwritten. But the main factor was the cost. So just in 90 paisa, we have first written 20,000 letters and we have shoot that letter to 6,900 villages. The first letter was like this. आपल्या गावाचा सरपंच कोण आहे? सोबतच्या पत्रावर कळवा. That's all. And we have written to 3 people. One is principal, postmaster and a sarpanch. 3 people. When we have shoot that 20,000 letters, we have received only 18 answers. आणि त्याच्यात असं लिहिलं होतं स्वतःला कोण समजतोस. More or less this was the answer. So we think that we are brilliant people sitting in Pune and metros, and they are all bad, sad, they don't know anything, they are poor, they don't understand, they don't read, they are. That was our perception always and all the time, even today, for most of the people. Again I requested my father and wife की परत एकदा लिहावं लागेल. Again investment of that 90 paisa per village. We have written and त्यात लिहिलं होतं आपल्या गावात बाजार कधी भरतो सोबतच्या पत्रावर कळवा. Again 20,000 letters in 6,900 villages, 6,700 villages. 48 answers. More or less answer असं होतं स्वतःला गव्हर्नर समजतोस का? No answer, frankly speaking. Then I was also, अरे बाप रे, ये तो सब कुछ गलत हो रहा है.
You didn't visit some of these villages?
By that I used to, but how many villages you can visit on your own? By that time I visited only 25 villages, and that to be when you travel to Amravati, it is 1,000 kilometers, and you cannot go by plane, you have to go by ST, not even Volvo, ST. So it's a big problem that time. And unless and until I was not having a feel of it, what exactly I am going to do, I was not knowing anything. I thought that if I collect this information, probably all the MNCs will come standing in front of my door, I want this information. That was my thought.
So how did you even come to that conclusion that all these MNCs...
Because it was a buzzword, and even the Guru Sharan Das was talking next, and C.K. Prahlad also. It is rural India which is going to be a big story in next 10 years. But after that, it is 20 years, and there is a story. So we'll talk to that also. So I was really afraid what to do. Having a daughter, wife, it is my thought. It is my goal. I want to achieve everything. Why they should suffer? Most of the entrepreneurs don't think that. Let me tell you humbly. We don't think that मी लय शहाणा आहे, मला कळालंय, माझा प्रोजेक्ट आहे, मी प्रेझेंटेशन केले, मला पैसे मिळणार होते, आणि आपल्याकडे बिल गेट्स याच्या खाली बोलतच नाही कोणी. फालतूगिरी म्हणजे सगळी भयंकर आहे. सगळे कोणी अमिताभ बच्चन, गान कोकिळ आणि मास्टर ब्लास्टर याच्या खाली बोलायचंच नाही ना आपल्या देशात काय. बाकी कामं नाहीच आहेत या देशाला. सो दॅट इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लेम ॲज अ एंटरप्रेन्योर. लेट मी टेल यू. So then I humbly requested them, this is the last time, this will be last letter, there will be no double postcard, no reply card. By that time there was a Diwali. Then I have asked them ki write आपणास आपल्या घरातील व गावातील सर्वांना दीपावलीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. काय कळू नका बाबा. And I have received more than 880 letters. तुम्हाला पण दिवाळीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. And from that I have never looked back, friends. So it is building relationship with the last man and not asking him money. We all should learn. This is a message. This is a huge message to me. And after that, no look back. Today in my office there are 7 lakh letters which I have received from these small villages. आणि कुठल्या पिक्चरचा हिरो कोणी नाही आहे त्यात. गावाचे प्रॉब्लेम काय आहेत. This is a really fantastic data, and anybody can come to my office and see that data. There are few people have seen that. And even today I am going to give you postcard because this is my tool. And you have to write just Pradeep Lokhande, Pune 13, and I get a letter. No need to write an address on it. Only write Pradeep Lokhande, Pune 13, and I have received more than 7 lakh letters. Neither I am a Renuka Shani, nor Amitabh Bachchan, cricketer or a Bollywood star or any big politician.
So that's probably the shortest postal address in the world.
No, not necessarily. It was the shortest postal address was of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, wherever he is. Believe me, you go to Sabarmati Ashram and you will find the letters, and they have maintained it. Unbelievable character. He is my godfather. I follow him like anything. There are issues in that, but we are not here to discuss that. I know that. So that was the thing which I have realized that time, and every entrepreneur should understand that and don't think that my thoughts should be 100% correct. I will not dent it or bend it. Please friend, most of the time we think that मी एवढा हुशार माणूस आहे, मग असं कसं चुकेल माझं. चुकतं. Most of the time चुकतं आणि गडबडी होतात. So we have to be very, I am not saying be very flexible, but थोड़ा flexible होना बहुत जरूरी है. मेरा नम्रता से आपको सबको कहना है.
So let's take that postcard further, right?
Yeah.
So
and then I realized it is not. Then I realized just humbly ask him. I have traveled. I have seen 500 villages in that year. 500 villages, because when I present my case, I should know what is rural India. And till date, friends, I have seen 5,000 villages of this country. You ask me Uttar Pradesh, I will tell you right away. You will ask me Andhra Pradesh. We are in 9 states of the country. That is Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. And we have a database of 49,000 villages today. And you name any big brand of the country, either we have worked with them or we are working. Any big brand of the country, of the world. So what data we have collected? Then I realized you have to be very humble, respect him, respect his time. We think that he has all the time of the world. No, please don't think that way. And then I have sent a letter saying that Bazaar Kadwa. Then they have started responding to my communication, because there was a consistency in it. to communicate with them. And by 1990,